It's morning. Julie heads in for a shower and bad news. She discovers a burst pipe with water everywhere in the bathroom. The last thing she really wants to tackle before work. She panics and calls a few friends for a plumber. Alas, no luck. Sounds like déjà vu? Well, no more. Meet Travay, an app which finds you trusted and rated tradespersons across Mauritius for your home repair or improvement needs. So, how does it work? Let's rewind and start over with Travay. Julie discovers the burst pipe and uses the Travay to post a plumbing job with a short description and a photo. Plumbers in the area are notified of Julie's job. 5-star Kevin and Bob express interest in the job. Bob can start straight away, while Kevin cannot. Julie appoints Bob and discusses price over phone. Bob also offers expert advice on how Julie can minimize water damage while he makes his way to Julie's home. Bob completes the job and receives a great feedback from Julie. Julie can now enjoy her shower and still make it to work on time. Travay, coming soon on iOS and Android.